Our bodies are wired to the rhythm of nature, the rising sun, the afternoon glow, and the calm of evening. But our homes often fight against that rhythm. Circadian Rhythm Design brings your interior into harmony with the natural clock, helping you feel energized, balanced, and rested throughout the day. Circadian rhythm is your body's natural clock, guiding sleep, energy, and mood. A well-designed home doesn't just look good. It supports this cycle through light, space, and intentional choices. Morning light sets the tone for your day. Large windows, sheer curtains, and reflective surfaces help maximize natural light, boosting alertness and focus. Midday is about productivity without burnout. Bright, even lighting and uncluttered layouts create an environment where you can stay active yet balanced. As the sun sets, our bodies crave calm. Warm, dimmable lights, cozy seating, and soft textures signal your brain to slow down and prepare for rest. natural light fades, artificial light can either support or disrupt your rhythm. Smart lighting systems and warm bulbs mimic the sun's cycle, helping your body stay in tune. Wood, stone, and organic fabrics ground you in nature. These materials reflect changing daylight beautifully, enhancing your connection to the natural rhythm. Circadian rhythm design isn't just about furniture and light, it's a lifestyle. From morning rituals near a sunny window to evening wind downs and soft light, your space becomes a partner in wellness. Small ritual spaces help anchor your day. A morning tea corner by the window, a meditation nook with soft evening light. These intentional spots remind you to pause, reflect, and align with your natural rhythm. Your circadian rhythm is deeply connected to nature. Designing with outdoor views, balconies, and indoor plants bridges the gap between inside and outside, helping your body follow the natural cycle of day and night. Designing with circadian rhythm means living in flow with the natural cycle of day and night. It's not just about decor, it's about feeling better, sleeping deeper, and living with more balance. If this inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And let me know in the comments, which part of your home do you want to align with your natural rhythm first?